While I was here. Madness! What's good, my tech friends? This is the one on the Tech Boss today. We have this. Can you even see it in the frame? I've got the ultrawide. No, I've got the wide angle lens on the camera, so we should be able to see this off. But this is a mouse pad. We don't need that. Oh my god! Whoa! Wow! As you can see, guys, it is the Samsung QLED gaming monitor, and it is 94 inches. What?
49.
Oh my god! I mean, I'm so flipping excited right now. It's unreal. It's literally unreal. It's 49 inches inside. This is a proper gaming monitor. So this is gonna be lit. Well, let's just flip and open this up. Few specs: 144 gigahertz. Also, it's got 1 millisecond. No, it's got a 1 millisecond refresh rate. And yeah, that's it really. 49-inch Samsung. I mean, Samsung. You can't go wrong with Samsung. I have a Samsung phone, which is sick. But yeah, Samsung. We need to unbox this. What's the number? Right. No, I didn't do that one. Right, knife. Let's flip and unbox this thing. We're cutting into it, boys. Oh my god. I've seen so many videos of this online, YouTube, everything, and it's been big, but I want to experience how big this thing actually is to my eye. Flip it now. I see it. Oh my god. Got some polystyrene. Oh, I think I've unboxed it the wrong way. Oh, it says do not open. I've unboxed it the wrong way. Oh my god. Oh, I can't even.
Don't worry about that, it's fine.
Alright. That's heavy. That is actually quite flipping out. That is heavy. That is.
Oh my
heavy.
god.
That is actually heavy.
It's massive.
I'm gonna place it down. Flipping out. That is flipping heavy. Right, when that goes on, that's it. I'm out of breath. Flipping out. I've actually opened this the wrong side, the wrong way. So, some more polystyrene. And then in the box, we got, like that, it's got the nice Samsung branding on there. Accessory key as well, everything. That's sick. Let's open that up. See what's in here. Okay. So what do we have? We have the plate in here. What do we got? We got the plate. Ooh. What is that? Flipping out. What is this cable? No way. No. This is. How am I gonna plug this in? They sent me the US one. That's not a UK's charging brick. Oh my god, that's.
Does it not come with it?
No.
Sometimes they do.
Oh yeah, it does.
There you go.
It's got the UK. It's got the UK one, and it's got the American one, or wherever that is from. Then what's this? This is a USB 2.0 cable. We have a HDMI cable. That's good. I'm going to definitely use that. What's this? Then we have this cable. Don't know what cable that is. Is in focus.
Yeah.
Then we've got that cable there. What else? Then we have more cables, which I don't know what's for. That cable going out to this cable. Don't know what that's for. And then we have a CD here as well in the box. Manual. The manual CD to see how it's done. And then what's this? Warranty card. So this has actually got warranty on it. Got some more stuff. And then I believe this is how to put the whole thing up. Yeah, quick start guide. As you can see here, quick start guide. How to put it all together. But obviously, like I said on this channel, we don't do manuals. We don't do quick start guides or whatever. So we're gonna just put it together by ourselves. Anyway, so that's that box. What's this? That's the cap to close it when you put it on here. So that goes on top of there, like that. Then I don't know what that's for. I'm gonna put it in the box for now. Actually. Put these in the box. And then we have the big ass stand. Nice little picture to help you put it together. Then this is a stand, wow. Made out of plastic and metal at the back. It's got a bit of weight on it, to be fair. That is a big ass flipping stand right there. That's mad. Put that to the side. Then you got this, the neck, which holds the monitor. This is all new. It smells very fresh and new as well. Take all these things off. Got that as well, the stand, which is pretty cool. What else have we got? Then we've got this plate. Gizm cable management plate. What else have we got? And we've got some silica gel. And that's it. That's everything that's in the box. We have the plug-in to give it power. And then here we have HDMI 1, HDMI in 2, a DP in socket, and then we have a mini DP in socket there as well. And then we have a, what's that? No idea. We'll have a headphone jack there. Then we have a mic in and out if you want to use a mic with this piece, with this monitor. And then we have two USB 2.0 cables there. We have a PC in SS, wherever that is. But yeah, that's all the ports that we get on the monitor. Right, we're gonna build this up and I'll show you how it looks. I'm gonna plug my PC in there as well, show you guys how it looks. And yeah, but it's a heavy monitor. But yeah, I'm gonna build it up and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So guys, as you can see, I've got it all set up. Just a shabby setup at the moment. The mouse. Just want to show you guys what it looks like. I got the beast over here doing this thing. Don't want to show you guys into that too much because that's for a separate video, but that's what it looks like. I've got a video I'm editing at the moment, just playing over there, but as you can see, look at the timeline. That's what I wanted from this monitor. A nice long timeline so I could edit my video in peace. But yeah, that looks so nice. It looks massive. Huge. Okay. Right, so guys, there you have it. We've unboxed the big Samsung TV. No, monitor, the big Samsung monitor has been unboxed. And what can I say? It's massive. It's huge. I can't wait to edit more videos on this. Right now I'm editing, like I said, and it's so good. I don't even have to scroll to get my timeline, which is awesome. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Click up there to see my other video I've done, and don't forget to like the video, smash the thumbs up. Also don't forget to share the video. Also comment down below, tell me what you think about the monitor, and tell me if it was a good idea or a bad idea or anything like that. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the post notifications so you get notified when I upload my videos. And yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good, but I think I'm out of adrenaline because there's a dead pixel right there somewhere. So I'm gonna have to call up Amazon and tell them about that, see what they can do. And yeah, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.